Good morning, children. Children, you know that your unit test of English is coming. You will be getting multiple choice questions. Let us revise chapter The Canary. You read in chapter The Canary that Somu's father had given him a wonderful gift on his birthday, a little yellow canary. Somu named her Molly. At first, he looked after her very well by cleaning her cage, giving her seeds and fresh water, and a lump of sugar at tea time. Molly was very happy with Somu, but after some days he lost interest in her. One day he did not clean her cage. Another day he did not feed her, and then worst of all, he forgot to give her water. Molly was very unhappy as Somu loved her no longer and she could not sing because she was so thirsty. Molly called Tweet Tweet, but Somu was busy playing with his new toy gun and took no notice of her. She cried and her friends felt sorry for her. She drooped her little yellow head and prayed to God. Early next morning, Somu's mother peered into the cage and she found that Molly was lying half dead. She took the canary out of the cage and fed her with seeds and water. She scolded Somu for not taking care of her. Somu burst into tears and thereafter looked after Molly very well. I hope you understood the chapter properly. Now let us quickly revise a few questions. Children, what did Somu get on his birthday? Yes, Somu got a little yellow canary on his birthday. What did Somu name the canary? Very easy. Somu named the canary Molly. How did Somu take care of the little bird? Right. Somu took care of the little bird by cleaning her cage, giving her seeds and fresh water and a lump of sugar at tea time. What would Molly do for Somu's friends? Tell me. Correct. Molly would sing sweet songs for Somu's friends. How do you know that Somu lost interest in Molly? Yes, we know that Somu lost interest in Molly as one day he did not clean her cage, another day he did not feed her, and then worst of all he forgot to give her water. Now, why was Molly unhappy? Right, Molly was unhappy because Somu loved her no longer and she was hungry and thirsty. Now, why did Somu took no notice of Molly? Yes, Somu took no notice of Molly because he was busy playing with his new toy gun. Children, why was Somu's mother surprised? Correct. Somu's mother was surprised because she did not hear the sweet voice of the canary. What did Somu's mother see when she peered into the cage? You know the answer? Think about it. Yes, Somu's mother saw that Molly was lying half dead in the cage when she peered into her cage. What did Somu's mother do after she took Molly out of her cage? Tell me. Yes, Somu's mother stroked Molly's yellow feathers and fed her with fresh seeds and water after taking her out of her cage. Why was Somu's mother angry with her son? You know the answer, I know it. Right, Somu's mother was angry with her son because Molly was lying half dead as he did not feed her with seeds and water. Very good, children. You understood the chapter properly.